Using only text-to-video prompts often feels like playing slot machines. You type something in and hope that AI gives you something usable. But intelligent storyboard to video changes everything. Instead of generating random clips, AI can now plan shots, build visual consistency, and create full cinematic sequences from just a simple idea. So in this video, we will create a 1-minute film inspired by Inception, a cartoon time traveler adventure, a slick cinematic commercial, and several other interesting videos, all inside Topview, while the AI agent handles most of the heavy lifting. Let's begin. So let's immediately start with a simple idea. Here on Image, I will click on Storyboard, and the idea is person in abandoned hospital wandering around and realizing that he's in a double dream like from a movie Inception. So it couldn't be simpler. I'll choose 45 seconds or 1 minute, number of key moments, let's put on auto, and GPT Image 2, create a storyboard. And here it is, looks pretty interesting. We have 9 different shots, everything is explained. So here we have wide shot, static, medium shot, close-up, and we can turn that into video easily with using Topview Intelligent Agent. So let me first show you this short film and then we'll go through the process. Here it is.
It's a dream within a dream.
Very nice. So to create a video out of that, you can just click here, create video. And in this part, it can create standard 15-second video, but there's a smarter way to create longer videos. So if I click on the agent, attach this storyboard, and then just write something like, let's generate this short film based on a reference storyboard. We can click here auto or 45 seconds, for example. Let's use 72p here, Seedance, nice. And now let's agent do the heavy lifting. Initializing, analyzing, structuring, thinking. Based on the storyboard in image 1, I have planned a 45-second psychological thriller sequence. I split the narrative into 3 distinct scenes. Nice. And here you have the actual prompts. The important part is that while creating scenes, it is thinking about the previous scene and the future scene to continue and stitch everything together. If you're satisfied with the prompts, you can just click generate video and it will generate everything automatically, or click here use prompts and edit something if you don't like the proposed prompts, or even adding scenes here, also clicking, for example, enhance all, so we have more complex prompt and detailed, and then just clicking on the start generation. Finally, it created all of the scenes and connected them together. You also have a simple video editor here, and then if you want, you can extend the scenes indefinitely, create additional ones, connect them, do something in between, etc. For example, based on the current 45-second short film, can you recommend next 10 or 15-second scene to extend from current ending? And then we have proposal here as a storyboard. You see here continuing from the last scene, and I can just click storyboard to video, and then you can continue generation and extend the video. Generate with credit mode or unlimited mode, so without any credit spent. In unlimited mode, of course, you wait longer than in priority credit mode. But overall process is extremely interesting and very efficient. For example, you can click here on fix video errors. It'll start analyzing your whole short film, all of the scenes. And then if you notice that something is not correct, you can change that easily. For example, let's say this text, we can click remove specific elements from the frame, write the instructions, replace text in the frame with any custom text, remove unwanted or incorrect, fix hand distortions, all of the different things here. You see, frame by frame, you can change whatever you want. And this is very useful for AI filmmaking. Finally, exporting everything as a full video or all separate segments. And now for our second scenario, a sleek 30-second commercial, so professional fast-paced commercial about wireless noise-canceling sports earphones. 30 seconds, number of key moments, auto to GPT Image 2, generate storyboard. And here it is. Let's check it. I really like all of the scenes. As you can notice here, it also described camera movement, so slight push in, static, slow push in, tracking shot, very good. So let's first look at the whole video. Here it is. Very nice, and this is how it was created. Using the Topview agent, I just said create a slick, fast-paced commercial based on the attached storyboard. It started thinking, wrote the prompt for scene 1, wrote the prompt for scene 2, many different cuts and everything. And here are all those scenes. As you can see here, this is the first scene, and ending of the first scene is always connected to the beginning of the second scene. You see, this is the important part to create a real longer videos that looks consistent and professional. And I'm very satisfied with this commercial, but if I would like to, for example, extend it, I can write to the agent, think about additional ideas, how could we prolong this commercial, give me 3 ideas about the next clip. Got it, analyzing the request. To prolong this commercial while maintaining that sleek Apple-esque minimalism, we can focus on the lifestyle integration and technical prowess of the Earphones. Here are 3 ideas. The urban escape, the extreme stability, focus on the sport fit, the seamless ecosystem, focus on connectivity. What direction would you like to explore next? I can just write 2, and it already developed a multi-scene plan for the additional 15 seconds. And then I can just click generate video. But let's now transition into our third scenario, and this is creating a cartoon. So inventor accidentally jumps through a different historical eras while trying to return home. Pixar-Style cinematic 3D animation. And here is our 9-image storyboard. Out of the box, it already looks great. So we have the machine, then transitioning into another era, dinosaurs, then Egypt, then we have medieval battle, and then something futuristic. So let's first again look at the cartoon. Here it is. Now at first I was not satisfied with this frame here at the bottom middle, and I clicked on Inpaint, marked down this frame, and written down recreate this frame. Young inventor needs to be in an abandoned futuristic warehouse and use his time-traveling machine. Generate. Here is this new frame, then I just clicked on Remix and asked it to stitch everything together, replacing that small frame with this bigger one here. And this is the final storyboard that I used. You see the difference. Look at this frame here and now here. So only this thing changed, everything else stayed the same completely. Process was once again very simple. Create a 30-second cartoon according to a reference storyboard. Here we have different prompts, different scenes, analyzing everything. Then I written down that in the first scene you forgot to add a boy also to the dinosaur era. Then it updated the whole plan. Then I changed my mind. The time order in first scene is not correct. He first needs to be pulled into dinosaur era and then into Egypt. Updated that, and then I clicked to generate the video. Finally, let's also create a plan to make this cartoon longer. Create additional storyboard to extend this cartoon for another 30 seconds. Generate. And here we now have a plan for additional 30 seconds, which is pretty good. Now you can also use that for a standalone 15-second video. For example, here I written down the prompt, humorous, ironic and sarcastic story of a dissatisfied man in his corporate 9-to-5 job. This is the storyboard. It created everything pretty kind of humoristically and ironically. We have a new mail, today's plan, everything. Then just by clicking on generate video, video prompt environment opens up here with the whole prompt, and this is the video that we got. Actually, pretty funny little clip. Work is temporary, sarcasm is permanent. Of course, sometimes with the text you will have problems. For example, here we see that this text is not rendered properly, but this is to the Seedance because the image was actually correct. So if you check here in the image, it says in the body of the email, please handle on priority and share a detailed update. Thanks. Today's plan, pretend to work, survive meeting, go home. Very good plan. And then we have a Q3 strategy alignment. All of the nice little memes. This meeting could have been an email. So finally, what are the credit usage and the pricing? So for the 15-second video, you spend 15 credits. And if we go into the pricing in the Ultra plan, for example, you receive 500 credits a month. Here you have also the calculator, how many Seedance videos, 500 seconds Seedance 2 videos, also the unlimited part. So if I'm not mistaken, with this plan you get 365 days of unlimited GPT Image 2 plus 30 days of unlimited Seedance. That's basically the unlimited, but you have kind of a slightly longer generations, but it's still pretty interesting. I think the pricing per generation here is 10 cents for 1 second of Seedance 2 video, which I think is one of the best on the market. So yeah, at the end I must say I had a pretty good experience with it. This actually feels much closer to directing than prompting. So instead of fighting random AI generations, intelligent storyboard workflows can actually create structured cinematic sequences from just a simple idea. And honestly, this feels like where AI filmmaking is heading next. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.